Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox error code 0x80A20303. The error reads, "Try again in a while. We can't sign you in. Try again in a few minutes or check service status in Xbox Assist." As per our research, the error comes when users try to sign in to their Xbox console. Many users shared that they were unable to log in and repeatedly received this error. According to our findings, the error may occur due to a network issue, sign-in glitch, or account verification problem. The first thing you should try is to power cycle your Xbox console and router. Simply turn off your Xbox and router, then unplug them from the power source. Wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart. Now check if the error is gone. If the error still comes and you are using a wired Ethernet connection, unplug it. But if you're on Wi-Fi, go to Network Settings and choose Go Offline. Then go back online and try signing in again. If the error still comes, then try signing in manually on your console. Some users shared that signing in directly on the console, instead of through the mobile app, resolved the issue. So give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still occurs, switch to a different Wi-Fi network and check if this helps. At last, if nothing helps, then you can also try resetting the password for your Microsoft account on a computer. After resetting the password, use the new password to sign in on your Xbox and check for the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.